Welcome to the new DT Connect, the biggest leap forward in fire system testing workflows. We've reimagined everything around what matters most to engineers: speed, accuracy, and effortless compliance. Say goodbye to juggling paper checklists, spreadsheets, and logbooks. DT Connect digitizes your testing workflow, saving you hours both on site and in the office. Introducing Test Existing Site. On return visits, instantly access past job reports and a complete asset list. No more hunting for site records. With one tap, the XTR2 selects the correct test type and records the result automatically. No manual input, no guesswork, just speed and precision. Extended asset tracking. Go beyond detectors. Now you can document the full fire system, emergency lighting, call points, extinguishers, and more. Build a complete digital asset list with ease. Smarter job summaries. The new job summary gives you and your client a clear view of what's been tested and what hasn't. Perfect for audits, essential for peace of mind. Enhanced Cloud Portal. The new Sites tab centralizes all your site records, asset details, past job reports, and more, all in one place. With secure cloud storage and offline capability, engineers can work seamlessly on site and sync jobs later. No more lost paperwork, no more missing logs. You can now manually build your asset list using the Create Assets feature. Or do you have spreadsheets from a client or legacy system? Use our CSV template to upload them instantly. No manual data entry required. DT Connect is cloud-powered, built for field engineers, designed for faster, safer testing, and packed with features that scale with your business. DT Connect is now more powerful than ever. Start your 90-day free trial with any XTR2 device and experience what smarter testing looks like.